Why didn't Germany build aircraft carriers in World War II? Actually, Germany did attempt to build an aircraft carrier. The Graf Zeppelin began building in 1938 but was never completed. It was because Germany had the Luftwaffe, a strong air force which didn't prioritize carrier-based aviation. The designs like the Bf-109 and Ju-87 were more suited for land-based operations. With the focus shifting to U-boats and submarines, aircraft carriers became less critical. By 1943, resources were redirected, and the Graf Zeppelin was abandoned. The unfinished carrier stands as a symbol of missed naval power, showing that Germany's strategic choices left the carrier era to others.